Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create modal in Bootstrap. If you are also using Bootstrap, then if you want to also create modal, then in that case, you can easily create modal. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So first of all, I'm going to press Ctrl+N. So now you can see my new file is created. Then after that, you have to go in the Google Chrome and you have to type createbootstrap.com. So this is the official website of the Bootstrap, and you can implement Bootstrap in your web page in the two way. Okay. The first method is you can directly download this file from here. So now you can see you'll get all the releases also from here, or you can directly go in the docs. Okay, and you can use this CDN. So for this one, I'm going to use this one that is Create Bootstrap CDN. So here is the Bootstrap CDN available. So I'm just going to click in the copy to clipboard. So after clicking in the in this icon, so now you can see it is telling me that copy. Now I'm going to in the Sublime text and I'm just pasting here. Right click and I'm just clicking the paste. So now you can see here is a Bootstrap boilerplate code is available inside my web page. So now I'm going to save it by pressing Ctrl+S, and now you can see here it is giving a few options. So I'm just giving Bootstrap modal.html. Okay, Bootstrap_modal.html. Okay, so now you can see here there are the first link is providing the bootstrap.min.css CDN, and the second script tag is providing me CDN for the bootstrap.bundle.min.js. Okay, so I'm going to use a few things here. So first of all, I'm just going to change this one. So I'm just giving this one hello bootstrap modal. Okay, and I'm just giving the title also Bootstrap Modal Practice. Okay, so now you can see here I have give the title and I give one H1 also. So I'm just right clicking, then I'm just clicking it open in browser. So now you can see here it's giving me the result hello Bootstrap Modal. Okay, so now you can see our project is ready. So now I'm just going to create a button here. So I'm just giving a button and I'm just giving open and modal. Okay, so after that I'm just giving a class for here. Class is equal to okay, the class should be btn minus render. Okay, I'm just giving the render color, and you have to give data minus ps minus global is equal to modal. Okay, then you have to give data minus ps minus target. That should be okay. That should be okay. Learning bootstrap modal. So this is the ID name. Okay, right now we have created a button. So I'm just going to in the Google Chrome and I'm reloading this one. So now we can see our one button is created. Okay, so now we have just created a button using the Bootstrap. So now we are going to create a modal using Bootstrap. Okay, so first of all, I'm just giving a div. The div class would be class. It's called the modal, and I'm just giving the ID. ID is learning Bootstrap modal. That was my ID. So now you can see here this ID and this ID should be the same, otherwise it will not work for the button. Okay, and I'm just again giving creating another div, and I'm giving the class. The class is I'm just giving modal minus 𝗨𝘀𝗆𝗍. Okay, this class should be implemented here. So now we have to create a modal header. So for that one, I'm again creating a div here, and I'm just giving a class. Class is equal to modal minus header. Okay, And inside the header, I'm just giving a s4 or s3, you can give this one. I'm just giving modal header. Okay. And in the s3, I'm just giving a class that class should be modal minus title. Okay, modal minus title. So this is the s3. Okay, so again I'm just creating a button also here. Okay, I'm just giving a button, and I'm giving a class here. Class. The class is btn minus close. Okay, so this is a by default button that will create an icon, and it will help us to provide this type of cross button. Okay, like that. Now we are going to use a dismiss attribute also. Dismiss is equal to modal. Okay, now we are going to create a modal body. Okay, so now after the modal body, now we are going to give a div, and we are giving a class here, and class should be modal minus body. And inside the modal body, okay, so we are giving two things. For example, we can create an image also, or we can directly use the image src tag, and we can use any image here. So I'm, for example, bootstrap logo. Okay, or directly you can use this type of a logo also from here. So here is a bootstrap logo. I'm right clicking here, and I think this image is not working. So here is the image available, and I'm clicking the image, and I'm just opening this image, and I'm right click, and you have to click in the copy image address, and I'm coming in the sublime text, and I'm pasting the image link here. Okay, so now you can see this is a very long image URL link here. Okay, so I'm just going to reload my web page here. Okay, so now we can see bootstrap logo is coming here, right? Okay, so now I'm just going to create modal footer using bootstrap modal footer. Bootstrap modal footer. Okay, now I'm going to create a div again, and you have to give a bootstrap class that is modal minus footer. So this is a class you need to implement. Then after that, you have to use two things. For example, I'm just going to create a button. Okay, and I am just giving the type is button, and I'm just giving class is btn minus warning. Okay, now data minus ps minus dismiss is equal to modal. Okay, so now you can see our code is like this. Then after that, and we are giving close here. Okay, so now you can see here it is giving a modal like this, and if I click here, so it is closing, and if I click in the close button, so now you can see our modal is working perfectly. So for example, if I want to remove these images from here, okay, like that. Okay, now so I'm going to use a UL here, and I'm just going to create a list, and here is anchor text also available, that is aref is equal to hatch, and in the UL the class should be nav. Okay, so I'm just going to create a nav. Okay, and the list class should be nav minus item, and here is the anchor text class should be nav minus link. Okay, like that. And now after that, I'm just going to copy this one, and I'm just going to paste, like that. So now we can see here is a 4 link available. I'm just giving home, and I'm just going to give gallery, services, and downloads, and contact us. Okay, so if I reload this one, so now you can see here is a nav also forming. Okay, and I can easily create the background color also for this one. So I'm just giving the bg minus success. Okay, so if I click this one, so now you can see it is giving me the success type of the background. Okay, and if I use the one class here, flex minus column, and you have to reload this one. So now you can see my flex is forming vertically. Okay, and if I click here, justify minus content minus center, right? And I'm just giving the color is warning, background color is warning. Okay, so now if I reload this one, so now you can see it is giving like this type of the modal result. So you can easily create a modal using Bootstrap in this way. Okay, so now you can see this is the modal header, and this is the modal body, and this is the modal close button. Okay, so if you check the code, so you can see at the first of all is we created a modal. Okay, sorry, first of all we created a button, and we create a target for the ID learning Bootstrap modal, and after that we created a div, and the class should be modal, and the ID is learning Bootstrap modal, and the second div class should be modal minus dialog, and inside the modal minus dialog the another div class is modal minus header. Inside the modal minus header class we created a modal title, and we created a close button, and after that we started Bootstrap modal body, and we have created a nav main here inside this div. The modal body class should be modal minus body, and we give a background color also, and in the last we created a Bootstrap modal footer, and inside the Bootstrap modal footer we created a button, and the button class will be the btn minus 𝗲𝘀. So in this way you can also easily create the Bootstrap modal. So hoping that you get few ideas. So we'll come back with another new video on that. Goodbye, see you again.